Do you want to boost your average order value and increase your Shopify store's revenue? Are you a Shopify store owner having hard time to increase your sales? One of the best thing that you can do to increase your average order value is to make your customer purchase more products than what they have actually planned to buy. How can this be made possible? You can achieve this by adding an upsell app to your Shopify store. Now let us see how that can be done. Before moving into how we can implement it on Shopify, let me just show you what is the difference between upsell and cross sell. Upselling is the practice of offering a customer a more expensive or upgraded version of the product they are already interested in purchasing, while cross selling involves offering the customer additional or complementary products to go along with their original purchase. Let me just show you an example. A customer is considering buying a laptop with a 128 GB hard drive. The salesperson suggests that for an extra $100, the customer could upgrade to a laptop with a 256 GB hard drive. This is upsell. See an example of cross sell. For example, if a customer is buying a camera, the salesperson may suggest additional accessories such as a camera bag, lens filters, or a tripod. This is cross sell. Now let us see how we can implement the upsell or cross sell on our Shopify store without using any paid apps. This app is completely free and it is directly from Shopify. First thing that you have to do is go to apps, search for app called search and discovery. So this is the search and discovery app from Shopify. Click on that, add that app, install the app into the store. So this is the app. So in this app, you have to go to a section called recommendations. So here you can see all the products in your Shopify store. Now you can choose which product you want to upsell. So let me choose this particular product called striped cotton dress. Here I can choose which all products I want this products to be cross sell with or upsell with, that we will be showing it as a complementary product. Like this we can show. So let me select some of the products. You can click on this browse button over here and choose this. So let me choose this white bag. These two products which we choose, the white bag and the earrings, have come into the complementary products. Now let's see how we can actually implement it into the storefront. Click on customize, go to products, take the default product template that you are having. In order to show the upsell products that we have added on the app, we need to add a block on the product template. You can come to the product template as I have shown and click on add block, and here you can see a block called complementary products. Click on that. If you didn't find it here, you can just search in this blocks over here and see that will come called complementary products. Click on that particular block, and then you can actually edit the text that you wanted to have here, pairs well with, or you may also like all those things you can add over here. You can choose which icons and all you want to show over there, how many products to show, all these things, what is the ratio of the image size that you want to have. All these things you can add over here so that upselling or cross selling product will be listed over here. Now let us go to my store and see how it's coming. So this was the product. We added the two products that we wanted to upsell it with. So here you can see that those two products have come over here. So if you are not using this app to cross sell or upsell your products, please implement it in your Shopify store and increase your sales. And please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.